Hey friends, welcome to another week with me. Actually, I guess this is in the same week. This is a bonus video, but regardless, I am so happy that you made it to my channel and I am so happy to have you here. So in this week's video, we are going to be doing a nighttime clean with me. I do always try to make sure that my house is clean before I go to bed. That way in the morning I don't have to deal with a super mess. That is not to say that it always happens, but I do try. And so here is one of those cleaning sessions where I just quickly tidy up and put things away so we have a blank slate for the morning. These cleanings are usually quite relaxing for me too, because I'm alone, the kids have gone to bed, and my husband is also away, so it's kind of a relaxing time for me to just be by myself. I'm sure you moms out there can understand that after a whole day with our families, you can start to feel all touched out, and so this time is super precious to me. So even when I don't clean, I do use this evening time to do something for myself, which is usually just, giving myself a pedicure or watching TV or whatever. But more often than not, I use it for cleaning, and so here we are. That's what we're going to be doing today, and I am so glad that you're here today, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run, and the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna...
So before we get too far into the video, I know I haven't done this in a while, but allow myself to introduce myself. My name is Damaris, just like in the channel name, Doing Life with Damaris, and I am a wife and a mom to 2 children. My eldest is 8 years old, and my baby girl is just turned a year in June. And as you can probably guess, we're quite a busy household, toys and mess and all the other lovely things that come from having kids. I say lovely because even in my worst kind of frustrated mom moments, I try to remember that it's such a privilege and an honor to be able to have these babies and to be entrusted with their care. So as much as the mess sometimes can be overwhelming, I always try to remember that I'm truly blessed. And I know that sounds cheesy, but that is how I feel about my children. They're a blessing to me, and you know what? The mess is just whatever. I can deal with that, but as long as they're happy and healthy and making a mess, that's actually better than if they were not making a mess, because they wouldn't be playing and something would be wrong. Anyway, off on a tangent. And on my channel, I do that a lot on my videos. On my channel though, I hope to provide you with motivation to get your house clean, but also encouragement if you don't always have your house clean, or if you don't always finish your projects. You'll notice in a lot of my videos, I try to show you that while one part of my house has been cleaned, the other part is usually left messy. And that is so real life is like that. It's very hard to ever find a house that's perfectly curated and every single part of the house is clean. It certainly doesn't happen in my house. Like right now, the main area is clean, but behind the camera or upstairs is a whole different story. So on my channel, I hope to encourage you that even if that's the situation in your house, it's totally okay. And I'm also here to give you with some real life, real content. This house is not off of a magazine. It is home, it's cozy, it's well loved, it's well lived in. And you know what? It's okay for homes to look like that. If your house looks like it's on a cover of Better Homes and Gardens, well, that's amazing, and I aspire and wish to get there someday, but I know that in this season, when my babies are so little, it's just not going to happen. Also, financially in this season, it's just not possible for me to go out and spend a bunch of money buying home decor and stuff like that. So I just want to encourage somebody who's kind of in the same situation. Like, your home is your home, and be proud of it. Whatever it looks like, be proud of it. And so that's kind of my vibe here on my channel. It's like the less curated side of YouTube cleaning, because everybody has such beautiful homes and we all aspire to it, but we're just not there yet. And so I hope to encourage you that even if you're not there yet, take pride in your home and just feel good about yourself, because you are doing great. Of course, I refer to moms a lot in my video, and to parents in general, but that is not to say everybody else is not welcome. Single men, single women, people who are not moms, like, you're most welcome on my channel. It's just I refer to the demographic of which I belong to, so I do not mean to exclude you by any standards. Anyway, that is a lot of chat for this video. You will find that in my voiceovers that I do get carried away, and I don't edit my voiceovers. Whatever I do for the first take, that's it. Because I want you to feel like you're really having a conversation with a real person, and that not everything is so edited and perfect and curated. And I hope that that's what comes across when you tune into my videos. Anyway, thank you so much for being here, and if this is content that you enjoy, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing, because these 3 things really help out my channel and they don't cost you anything. So thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna shut up now so you can have a few minutes of just music and not somebody babbling in your ear.
about the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
And just like that, friends, we have come to the end of this video with the vacuuming. I appreciate you spending your time with me. It is precious and I do not take it for granted. I hope to see you on my next video next week on Tuesday. And until then, friends, have a fantastic week and wishing you all the good things. Bye.
Sun's coming up.